Hi, I'll show you how to deploy a Streamlit app on Google Cloud App Engine without writing any Dockerfile. It is incredibly quick and may be useful if you need to instantly deploy your Streamlit app. Alright, so here's our main.py. Here we have requirements.txt and all the images that our app uses. And here we have a working app. To deploy this app to App Engine, you only need one file, or actually two, and these are app.yaml and .gcloudignore. Let's go through the app.yaml configuration. First, we define the runtime environment, which is Python. Then, we define the App Engine environment. Here we need to specify flex, which corresponds to App Engine flexible environment. We cannot use the standard one as it does not support WebSockets, and Streamlit heavily rely on WebSockets. In App Engine Flex, we can define the runtime as custom, and this would require a Dockerfile, but we don't need it, as the Python runtime works out of the box and the application will be containerized for us automatically. Next is the entry point. It is the bash command that will be executed in the container, the same one that we execute to run our app locally. The port variable will be populated automatically. Here we specify the operating system and Python version. I'll set it to Ubuntu 22 and Python 12. There is a lot more options available to configure, like the environment variables and also handlers for hosting the static assets. We actually don't need any of these. This is the whole configuration. Another file is .gcloudignore. It is good to have it. I will share the ultimate gcloudignore content in the description. We need it as App Engine will first send our files to the cloud storage bucket it creates for the application data. And if we want ignore .vnv or pycache, it will start sending all of these, and we don't want that. Now, to deploy this app, we need to make sure that we are authenticated and that we have access to a Google Cloud project. You can authenticate with gcloud out login and set a project with gcloud config set project. And here your project. And the last thing is the actual deployment. Do this by typing gcloud app deploy. Yes. And it's done. You can view your app by typing gcloud app browse. It's working. To check the details of your deployment, you can go to App Engine in the console. You can see a dashboard, all services and their versions. You can split traffic between different versions.